Hello guys! Welcome to today's video. And for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay Valentines. So guys, happy Valentines! For Hearts Day sa inyo. Ang ganda niyan. Malabas yan! Hello guys! Welcome to today's video. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is Valentine's Day special. So, I made this look para sa Valentine's Day. So, if you want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So guys, light lang yung blush on na gagamitin natin ngayon kasi this is to emphasize naman giveaway para dun sa ating eyes. So, yan. Nagalagay lang pala ako dito guys. Just in case of my fallout, meron tayong backup plan. Start with this. By the way, this is my favorite ever Bilena 1839. I think I bought this around, 2 to 3 years ago. So, let's do this. So, yan guys. This is really pigmented. Any red color will do, guys. Ko na rin dito sa kabila. This is really pigmented, guys. So, you have to blend it. Blend it. Blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. That's it guys, hindi na ako nag-breakdown. So this is really pigmented. So ayan. Kailangan lang natin siya i-blend out. Kasi this so I love this color. This is really good, really pigmented. I think this is just 100+ pesos. This is Essence In Love with Rose. These are the colors. As you can see, those are lovely. So I'll be making a separate video for this swatches, diba? I'll be using this brush from Marino. It's in pink, guys. It's very good. So I'll be dipping this one for my outer corners. Dito lang, guys, and then blend this here. So ayan, guys. Dito lang din. Same. Blend out. And then, let's go back with this one. And then blend it out. I'll be using this kind of brush. This brush, guys, for this lighter pink here. Wala siyang mga shade ng pangalan. So, dito, ilalagay ko lang siya up. Just to blend a little bit of color. To diffuse a little bit. This one. So, balikan ko lang siya dito. Just to deepen it a little bit. Okay. Patong lang. Dito lang siya, guys, ha. Hindi na siya i-blend. It should be staying in place. Yo! Nakubok mo! So, I'll be using this Dazzle Daz by Barry M. So, ito ganito siya, guys. Okay, so I'll be using this again. This is from Artist Studio. Wet this. Just here, in the middle, just to, yes, that foiling effect yung gusto kong makuha. May kakaiba siyang nagagawa, guys. And then, let's go back here. Dun sa pink one. Para lang yung pinkish tone natin hindi mawala. Yun. This is much nicer than I thought it would be. And then, guys, I'm gonna blend this again with my blending brush. Hindi ako magdadagdag ng product. I'll just blend this out. Okay. I'll be using this smudge brush. Yung nandito, ikakalat lang din natin. Hindi na ako magdadagdag ng color. Ayan. So, dito lang din, kakalat lang din natin yung nasa ilalim. because this is really pigmented, as you can see naman, guys. And then, I'll just put a highlighter para sa inner corner of my face. And then dito, a little bit, yes. So guys, I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face with its falsies. For my lips, I'll be putting this Avon mark in the shade Nude Vibes. So ito yung perfect para dito sa look na. This is matte, so gusto ko medyo glossy ang vibe natin because it's a date. So, yan. Lagyan ko lang dito sa gitna. So, guys, this is the final look ng face ko. Look to the left. Look to the right. Tingin sa camera. Ganyan. Yan. Guys. So guys, ang mga ginamit ko pala dito is of course this palette. This is from Essence. This is really, really good. This is In Love with Rose. And look at the shades, guys. This is very, very lovely. As you can see, sobrang pinkish vibe niya. Ang ganda rin ng pangalan niya kasi In Love with Rose. Yes, it is all rose colors. And this vibe is really, really good. Ang lakas makabata nitong color na to, which I'm really, really impressed with the pigmentation and the blendability of this one. But I'm gonna make a separate video for this. Specifically, ito lang yung gagamitin ko sa eyes ko. Since today, marami akong ginamit. Like this ever Bilena. This is 1839. This is their color. This is really good. I use this, okay? This is really, really way good. This is highly pigmented. Sad to say, wala lang akong makita ng ganito sa ever Bilena counters. And I'm really sad about that. So, I use these lashes from Nichido. This is 8058 Elise. So, The Art of Beauty. This is really, really good. As you can see, ang lakas makapag-open ng eyes nito. And I love this. And, of course, I use this Mark by Avon. This is Mark by Avon in the shade Nude Vibes. Ang lakas makaglam-glam nito. Ang lakas makabata nito. And, of course, I use the usual thing na ginagamit ko. Ito lang yung mga kakaibang ginamit ko for today. Dazzle Dust by Barry M. This is, binigay lang siya akin to in the shade number 49.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the ring button so you get notified for my next magandang video. Salamat guys! Bye!